Hey everybody, this is Tony Hibbard with the Assisted Band Director, the channel to help assist new and young band directors. If you are an experienced band director or have any tips, please comment in the section below. And if you like this, please like and subscribe and let your friends know about it. Okay, this is my first video suggestion, and this is retying the knot inside of a crash cymbal. So once you get the straps through, which can be a pain, okay, I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see this better. Okay, I start mine in an X, okay, and then I start in the top right hand corner, and I fold this one across over this one right here, okay, and I want to make sure that it's loose. I don't want to have it too tight yet, okay. Then I take this top left one and I fold it down over that first one that I did, okay. Then I take this bottom left one down here and I fold it across the one that I just folded up, okay. And then I'm going to actually push this one back just a little bit so there's room. And then the last one, okay, you want to go over this bottom one right here, but inside this one right here, okay. So once you pull it through, it should look like this, okay. And then what I do is I pull on opposite sides here to tighten it up. Each time I pull a little bit tighter until it is nice and tight. And there you go. That is how you tie the leather straps on a crash cymbal.